Are you tired of mediocre rice? Meet the Cuckoo CRPSTO609FW rice cooker, your new kitchen hero. This cooker is Amazon's choice for good reason. With over 300 purchases this month alone, it's proven to be popular. And with a limited time offer of just $229.99, you save 29% off the list price of $324.99. Returning items can be stressful, but not with us. We offer free returns on your purchases, ensuring you're satisfied. With various sellers available, check before purchasing to see if free Prime shipping applies. Let's dive into the highlights of this amazing rice cooker. First, it boasts 16 versatile cooking modes. These options cater to every rice lover, from GABA brown rice to glutinous white rice. Next, it has a mid to large capacity. Cook 6 cups of uncooked rice or 12 cups cooked. Perfect for small gatherings or medium-sized families. Safety is a priority too. The cooker releases steam safely, making cooking hassle-free. Choose your cooking style with dual pressure settings. Go high pressure for fluffy rice, or non-pressure for sticky rice. What's included? You'll receive a product manual, rice spatula, and measuring cup, making cooking easier than ever. Customers rave about perfect rice every time. Many share that it cooks quickly and efficiently, cutting cooking time significantly. Enjoy beautifully textured and delicious rice with minimal effort. Don't miss out on this limited time deal. With fast delivery available across all 50 US states, you can enjoy your new rice cooker in no time. Please support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your encouragement drives us to bring you the best content every week. Thank you for joining us.